a refrigerator thermostat from a company called Nexgadget. Let's have a look at it, let's see what it does. So the box itself is really plain, of course, made in China, bound to be. And then in the box you get the little thermostat and also a little piece of paper, which has just got all of the operating instructions on it. The main ones though are you've got the on-off button, you've got the degrees centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit, and you've got a clear button to reset the minimums and maximums. So to switch it on, you just push the top one and that will immediately display your current temperature, your maximum, and also your minimum temperature. By pushing clear, it then completely wipes it, and then it will then do it as it then flicks up or flicks down. Really easy and really simple. So it's got an operating temperature of -20 degrees to 50 degrees centigrade, or -4 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's meant for the fridge or freezer, and it's accurate to within minus or plus 1 degree. So that's pretty good, sort of good going. It also comes with this little clip, so you can clip it onto the door or the side of the fridge or freezer, and you can also adjust it round so then it just stands up. So that's really simple, really nice and neat. Something I wish it did have was a backlight, which it doesn't have. That's just for if your fridge, for example, has a bulb out, you can still see the temperature without actually switching on a light, without getting a torch to have a look at it. So that's something that I would really like to see. However, for the price, it's an absolute bargain. So yeah, if you need one, go ahead and get it.